hai jadi tong hai kayak lah ulang gitu ya.
To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me.
Ayeuna abi tos dugi di rumah makan SR guys. Tuh tinggal ieu suasanana. Sok putarkan hai. Tuh. Nya sakedap deui ayeuna bade OTW ka mana? Tempat selanjutnya. Tepang terus ya, tepang deui ke di tempat selanjutnya. Jajan aurang ayeuna tos aya di kawasan Jawa Tengah. Tapi teu acan dugi Yogyakarta. Jadi aurang makan mama. Abdi tos dugi di Borobudur. Orang utan. Jadi guys, abdi tos dugi di orang utan. Jam baraha ieu teh? Jam 1 lebih jadi jam 1 leuwih. Berarti hitung jam 2 we nya guys. Kedah ibak saurna teh. Atuh dah tirisnya. Kedah ibak pada abdi teh tiris. Teu aya caihan di dieu mah. Ini benar menuju naon? Abdi nuju nempelkeun nyawa lieur. Ngalina ubah. Ngalina bobona
Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you.
Jantan abi tos dugi di Borobudur tuh hore. Ih, nembe dugi pisan ieu nuju bade OTW ka candina. Doakeun sing salamet. Amin.
I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
Kalau bilang halo jam teh tong hilangnya. Follow IG abdinya. Salsabila dulu. Halo Risna.
I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling.
Tuh guys, ini di pengertos saya Borobudur guys. Tuh guys, aduh. Meni endah gitu. Tuh guys, ayeuna atos dugi di puncak. Nah, ieu teh nya tuh. Meni jauh gitu. Tadi di dia aya sababaraha turis, tapi aurang alim ngaganggu privasi turis eta. Keur liburan. Tinggali aduh enak kieu subhanallah. Jadi ayeuna aurang bade nyobian ngawawancara sareng.
We have to introduce tourists. Would you mind to help us? Yes, okay. What do we have to do? Okay, what's your name? Danik. What's your name? Shifa. What do I call you? Danik. Okay, Danik. Where are you from? From the Netherlands. Oh, Netherlands. Cool. Yeah. Do you live in Java? Yes, but in West Java. I'm tourist here too. Oh, same. Yeah. What the things you love the most in Indonesia? Yeah. Food. He loves the food. Yes. What kind of food? Gado-gado.
Soto is the best.
Do you like satay?
Nasi goreng, satay.
Nasi goreng.
I like everything. I like rendang the most.
Why you choose Yogyakarta as your destination?
We're traveling for 2 months in Indonesia. So from Sumatra to Java to Bali to Lombok
Oh my god.
and to Maluku.
Oh.
So we do everything. So we want to go to Yogyakarta as well. Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about this Candi Borobudur?
Yeah, really nice. In in the Netherlands we don't have something like this.
Oh, yeah.
But it is, yeah, it's really busy. There are a lot of people, but that's because everyone wants to see it, right?
Yeah, right. Oh, what do you think about Indonesian people?
Yeah, very friendly, very open.
Alright.
Like they are enthusiastic to learn new or
Learn new language.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And me too. I want to study exchange too.
Oh,
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
USA.
USA.
Yes. Have you ever been go to USA?
Yeah, we've been to New York.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Really
How it
cool.
looks like?
Yeah, it looks like if you see the pictures and
Like movie.
the movies,
Alright,
it looks
cool.
really like that. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's cool.
Bali. Bali.
Yeah, we go to Bali as well. Yeah. Yeah. Also really nice.
What's your favorite city in Indonesia? Difficult.
Yeah, that's difficult because what's our favorite city so far?
Indonesia?
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah, we been to Sumatra before Java, and I think Yogyakarta is the nicest city so far.
no, it's the biggest city. But we went to Bukit Lawang and we did a jungle tour, so I liked it very much.
Yeah.
And we were in Berastagi in Sumatra, and we had a very lovely staying there, so I liked it there as well.
Yeah, it's really cool. Really cool. But also, I'm looking forward to go to Lombok, go to
Alright.
Bali,
Alright.
more beach.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you for a nice
Sama-sama.
conversation.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Makasih.
Terima kasih.
Yeah.
Thank you. Good luck with
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Can you please speak Sundanese? Sundanese in
Something Indonesian?
yes, this is a local language.
He's learning Bahasa.
Oh yeah. Alright.
So speak something.
I started yesterday.
Yeah, with
Oh,
the
yeah.
curses on this.
What kind of language?
Yeah, Bahasa, Indonesian.
Oh,
He's learning
Indonesia.
Indonesian. Oh, so yeah. So,
So, apa kabar?
I am Dang.
Saya nama Dan.
Oh then.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. In Sunda, it, Nami Abdi. Dan.
Nami
Nami Abdi.
Nami Abdi Dan.
That is
Right.
Java. That's Java.
Is it
Sunda.
Sunda?
Yeah.
And that's
our
the language.
culture.
Ah.
Is that your batik? Your batak.
No, Batak in Sumatra.
Oh, only batak is.
Oh.
Yes. So every island there is a lot of culture, a lot of language.
Yeah.
So we are tourists too,
Yeah.
and different languages with different cultures.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Okay, nice.
Indonesia is really cool.
Yes.
Yes.
How old are you?
15.
15. Oh, you speak really good English.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Can you please speak Sampurasun?
Sampurasun.
Sampurasun. 1, 2, 3.
Sampurasun.
Yay! Okay, thank
What's
you
that
so much.
mean? Is that goodbye?
Oh ya, goodbye. Ya, apa goodbye? Dadah. Goodbye apa? Dadah apa bahasa Sundanya?
Iya.
Dadah. Hatur nuhun.
Tepang deui, tepang deui.
Tepang deui.
Tapang
Tepang deui. Oke.
Oh, that's difficult. Tapang di.
Tepang deui. Oke.
Okay.
Oh my God.
I tried.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Hatur nuhun. Hatur nuhun.
Hatonoho.
Tepang deui. Oke.
Tapang That's difficult. You have to like.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright. Yes. Hatur nuhun.
Hatonohun.
Tepang deui.
Tapang di.
Oke.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Nice to meet you.
Jadi tadi orang tos ngawawancara sakedik tulis lumayan lami ketang. Ayeuna
Lami pisan.
Iya. Jadi ayeuna orang bade lanjut Bukan didinya di situnya.
Dadah.
Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room, yeah, got no ceiling. If we lay, let the day just pass us by.
Oh my god.
I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time.
Halo Rianti.
I like me better.
Halo Delia.
Abdi ayeuna nuju di Demata. Abdi sarangan nuju di Demata bade popotoan saur nama Demata teh tempat popotoan anu sae. Kumaha rarasana? Ya rasaan naon? Bunga.
Bohong tapi.
Antosan. Jadi jantan aweurang tos lebat ka Demata. Aduh ya ampun. Ih parah tapi enakeun di dia tempatna pepotoan cenah. Naon sih namina teh teh?
Chinatown.
Naon? Taiwan, Cina,
Chinatown.
ini.
Halo Pirna. Di mana ieu?
Di airplane resto airport Jogja airport. Jadi orang teh di dieu teh bade tuang saur nama dina kapal guys tuh itu tuh ayeuna di bade tuang geula kana tentengan atas lebet ada
Airport.
airport resto di Jogja di kapalnya non enggak ciki doang pesawat tempur
Pesawat bapaknya Pian.
I like me better when I'm with you. Stay a while, stay a while, stay a while, stay a while, oh. Stay a while, stay a while, stay with me, right here with me. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time. I stayed for a long time 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. I'm with you.
Jantan guys, ayeuna teh aya di pantai. Jadi saya acak teh arung teh ka pantai heula. Oh, itu namanya teh pantai naon sih?
Gelaga.
Gelaga. Tuh, nya non teh keur kersenja itu atuh aduh
Matahari tilalap.
panon poet kelelep. Di mana ieu? Ieu atos di apa deh? Di laut. Di pantai. Pantai. Oh, pantayan. sih ini mah
Ini apa ini? Kali. Bukan.
sungai teh naon sih sebenarnya teh?
Walungan.
Walungan. Iya beda. Kurang naon? Dengar tos. Ngomong naon ya? Enggak, alim ah. Sok ngomong.
Jadi ayeuna nuju apa sih jalan teh? Lempang heula ka pantai.
Tuh ayeuna urang terus aya di pantaina. Tuh tinggal meni endah kieu subhanallah Gusti nu agung. Tuh
Lucu. Mau dipoto.
Iya di mana? Iya di mana? Iya di mana?
Di pantai
Oh.
Gagah.
Ini sayanya iya aya ieuan aya senjaan. Eta panon poe ti karelep. Panon poe ti karelep tuh, guys.
Kamu renang di sini.
Aku takut.
Sieun kieu.
Ini coba pegang.
Ararageung di dieu mah ombakna meni sararieun teh ya. Ih, sieun ka bawah palit. Haredang deh, aduh. Tuh, baradag pisan di dieu mah sorana ge kuat ka aduh. Kadangu kieu nya matak teu aya nu renang di dieu mah. Di Pangandaran mah seueur. Tinggalinya ararageung kieu ombakna ge. Dugi ka luhur ge geuning. Ah, aya abi aya logat jampangan euy.
Mana say?
Atau selanya, geng.
Foto cipe muncul di foto.
Atau selanya, geng. Kayak penak di sarang abi di rumah makan mana itu teh?
Yunani.
Dadah.
Mau foto-foto. Bade foto-foto. Fotoan.
Dadah, penak di rumah makan Yunani. Abi ayeuna bade. Abi sareng rengan bade menikmati teh. Menikmati. Nya pokona mah bade
Eta we.
mun bade ningali senja dugi ka CM.
Dadah.
Tongtonnya dugi ka CF.